Hey, it's Mark Schaefer from the Harkov-Lewis team at Brown Harris Stevens, and I'm here at what is the quintessential Soho Loft in one of the best neighborhoods in all of New York City. Some of my favorite things here are these amazing cast iron pillars, beautiful soaring tin ceiling, and honestly my favorite thing is just the gracious space you have here. There's really kind of 4 distinct places where you can design furniture. You can really create a lifestyle that fits for you here in this open loft. Abundant sunshine streams in through the eastern-facing windows over a landmarked cobblestone block. We have 2 generously sized bedrooms on either side of the loft space and 2 bathrooms at the rear of the apartment. For me, the highlight of this home is the amazing chef's kitchen. You have a Garland industrial range and industrial sink, a Bosch dishwasher, sub-zero fridge, warming drawer, wine fridge, and a really oversized pantry. You can really cook in this kitchen, which is surprisingly hard to find in New York City. From the minute you leave 159 Mercer, you're right in the heart of everything that people want in New York City. Shopping, nightlife, restaurants, bars. This is one of the best neighborhoods in New York City. I'm Mark Schaefer from the Harkov-Lewis team at Brown Harris Stevens. Contact us anytime to come see this listing.